Someone added their comment on my video 5 years ago to create an updated version on how to use ShopBack in 2026. So let's start. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ericka. For today's video, I'm gonna share with you 5 tips on how to use ShopBack in 2026. Okay, first, let's answer her question, how to use ShopBack if you want to check out multiple orders on Shopee. Okay, first, open your ShopBack app, click watch list or categories so you can find Shopee there. In my case, I made sure to add it as favorite, and then click Shopee. And then once you're there, you have to open your Shopee app separately and find the product that you will be checking out. In my case, I got this top from Air Active. Then you have to copy the link of this specific product on Shopee and paste it to ShopBack. And then click Allow Paste. Then click the cart icon and then go back to Shopee again and copy the link of your second item for checkout and do the same thing by pasting it on ShopBack. So you can do this for all your orders, especially if you have, let's say, 5 or 10 more orders. But in this case, I just have 2 orders. Once you're done adding everything to your cart on ShopBack, you can click the cart icon on the upper right and make sure to click Activate to ensure that you are activating the tracking of your purchase on Shopee. Then once you click Activate, you will be redirected to Shopee, and make sure to add both products to your Shopee cart. Then now I placed my order with GCash as my mode of payment. Second, how to ensure that your cashback is tracked for both orders. So to do this, on your ShopBack app, click Account on the lower right of the app, click See Activity, then click Shopping History. Now, as you can see that both of my orders are tracked and they will confirm up until August 3 if this is confirmed. Actually, I was able to test this previously wherein I had to cancel some orders since I added an incorrect address. So as you can see, the result of this is no purchase found. But the other orders that went through are already confirmed and the cashback is already processed. Third, how to withdraw your cashback. First, click Account on the lower right of the app, click Withdraw, and then choose your withdrawal destination. So for me, I chose GCash. Then I should receive the amount within 10 working days. So now I have 500 pesos because I think it accumulated from all my orders previously. So now there's 500 pesos on my GCash account. Okay, fourth, you can share your referral code to your friends so both of you guys will get 50 pesos cashback. Actually, 5 years ago, it was 100 pesos each. Now it's 50 pesos. Well, at least there's still cashback, right? So to do this, click Account again on the lower right of the app. Then you can find a referral code. So if they use your code, both of you guys will get 50 pesos cashback. And of course, please take note of the following guidelines on how to do this successfully. So at least both of you guys will get 50 pesos cashback. And of course, the fifth tip, don't limit yourself to Shopee only because as you can see on ShopBack, there's a lot of merchants that you can find. So feel free to explore the app and refer it to your friends. So that's it. I hope I was able to answer all your questions. And if you have more questions, feel free to add it on the comments below. I still can't believe that video was 5 years ago, and thank you so much for your support. And as you can see, it's still relevant up until now. Take note of this one for your, I believe, for your 8/8 purchase. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. I missed saying that line. Anyway, that's it. Thank you so much. Bye!